So should go now. So first of all, these characters I make it with this basic strokes with the red color. Okay. So make it first circle like that. Okay. Basic strokes I draw with a circle, and this is the nose line, and this is the eyes line. Okay. First do like this thing. Okay. Okay. First to make a circle, and after the circle, that line and that line. Okay. The basic steps. So first draw the basic shape. Okay. Here, and from this line, here is the ear. Okay. So today topic the caricature kind of drawing. Okay, like this. This is the basic shapes. Okay. Uh, so first make it basic shapes. Yeah, beta. So I do first the basic shapes. This is the first important. Take time for this. And one more basics things I want to create, that is here. Okay, this characters here is that much big here. This is a basic. Okay. If your basic is confirmed, you know that you understand that clearly, then it's easy to draw rest of the final line drawings. Wrist is right better.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay. Done that much. Hello. Brishti can join now. Oh, no, now it's okay. Please can join if possible. Okay, it's already classes started. Please, okay. Because here is some problem here. There now is okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, yeah. Please join. Yeah. So that much is done, right? And then here first make the basic shape. This is basic shape they're doing. Saravanan. Saravanan is here. Saravanan is here. Nice. Yeah, I go the next steps now. Okay, so this is a basic steps is done. Okay. Just a second. Okay. Just make it after that. I'm start from the eyes. I'm start the first eyes. Okay. This eyes line, so create eyes like this. Okay, like create it like this. Then the nose. Okay. Do the nose like this. Okay. So these drawings we are creating. After that, more stitch. We are creating some more stitch like this. Okay. This most is something like okay, something like this. Okay. So we are making some these drawings. We are making some sketchy kind of. You apply the pen and ink, brush pen, watercolor, all those mediums I'm using for this kind of caricature. This is actually character designing. You can say this is character designing for gaming or animations. Okay. something like that. So join in. Okay, the first steps I tell you that the basics, if you are draw properly, your drawing is ready. Okay, so make basic very, every drawing, we are covering lots of drawing. Okay. So see this, I make the hairstyle also one line, no? This is the basic line. So I make the basic, the last, see, I just make it the, hairstyle. Okay, aram se, like this. So it's so easy, you can try your best. Okay, just this is the basic line, whatever you did before. You just maintain that. Okay. Fine. You can I can use this little shadings parts with the directly sketching like this. Okay. Okay, fine. One side is little darker, one side. So very normal sketch techniques were applied for that. Okay, like this. Here also put a little darker.
Sir, can you wait 1 minute, sir?
Yeah, I wait for a few minutes. Okay, just you continue this one. Okay. So after any kind of brush paint or marker paint, okay, so just do like this. Very good job, all of you, is fantastic. Okay, like this. So it looks more creative if you are using this brush paint or any dot paint, nib paint, charcoal paint, pencils. Little dark outlines, okay? It's good. Like this. Okay. Let's complete. Next 2 minutes we are going to next drawing.